Ya bafowethu, ninjani bafowethu? I hope niyaphila noma nje iy'nhliziyo zethu zidumele kancane, but siyaphila, siyafa amakhaza la eJohannesburg. I hope une-grand lapho bafethu emakhaya. I hope nibe ne-weekend e-right. Although i-team yethu ingenzanga kahle, but I hope you enjoyed the game. And yeah, bafethu bengisacela ukuthi ni-subscribe on my channel. Ngifisa ukufika ku-1K subscribers, so please if umusha kule channel, please subscribe and like the video. Let's get straight into it. Welcome to Amakhosi Amakhosi Stand podcast. I am Manqoba Ngcobo. I'm not happy. Yeah, team yethu izamile shem, but it was not convincing. It was not our day. So yeah, I was kahle I was expecting to lose, but now yazi ukuthi losing against Orlando Pirates is it's not good. It's not nice. Yabo. I wanted us to win, but deep down I knew we won't win against Pirates. Even if when we scored the first goal, I was not that hype. I was not hype. I was not so excited. I didn't even shout as I used to shout when Kaizer Chiefs score or win. I was just they score, and the time was too early. It was too early for us to celebrate that goal. But let me take this time and give credit to Coach Nabi. Coach Nabi came with a plan. The game, the plan almost worked, but it seems like he didn't have the players to execute the plan that he had going to that game. But sibonile uzamile. Ngicathi i-game approach yakho ukuthumela ibhola kulilebho, cause ububona ukuthi masithola ibhola, give it to Lilebo, and that almost worked in my opinion. Credit to Dylan Solomon for a great assist. Also credit to Lilebo for a beautiful goal. Elingenze ngacabanga kakhulu ukuthi this guy is playing better than our strikers in their striking position. Maybe we should try him more there in this position, because he bullies the defenders, and we are kahlela akabuzi. If he gets a chance, he will shoot. So I think our coach did a good work to play him up front. He was aggressive. He wanted more, but of course there was no one to supply him with more. Sereno was, I'm not sure what game did Sereno have. He had an average game, I would say that. Yeah, he had some good moments, and then lots of not so good moments. I don't even want to talk about Bruce Voom. I'm so disappointed. Lo amjisa kolokuqala, he was supposed to come out early. Lela bhola bekuyelakhe. If nibonile uDove lapha uze wathetha ukuthi, why didn't you come out early to try and stop that goal? But umjisa unawo vele into yakho ukuthi engasheshe uthi ngizothini, isinqumo, ama decisions akhe iwona amlimaza kakhulu. Sometimes he makes the decisions that are not going to benefit the team. So he had a really bad, and he also had some good saves, but ububona ukuthi bese kune disconnection lapha emuva. Ubusubona ukuthi laba they were not connecting yena nama defender. And I will tell you what, without Bradley Cross, leya game besoyiluza dismal. This guy was our main defense. He was so he was playing this guy. Forget about his red card, but ububona ukuthi this guy he wants to win. Ububona ukuthi he came out for blood. Yeah, and other people had mistakes, poor decisions making. Duduzi Shabalala, I was so disappointed, but we can't blame him. He tried naye washo ukuthi it's not working for him. Nothing is working for him. Another guy who was Umas had a decent game. Umas had a decent game. Ube nawo amaphutha there and there, but it was not the match at his best. He was just Yusuf Maz. Another guy, let me see. Who had a better game? Pulo Moti had a better game coming back. Going forward, he was not causing threats to the opponents. He was just good when we were defending, but going forward, he was not the threat. Ngubane emkhohlwa obenegame engconywane phela. Yibo nje labantu ade bedlala ke leya game. Bradley Cross, he deserved a man of the match. Unfortunately, uthole a red card, but yeah. So guys, for me, sengifisa ngabe le season iphelile and give Coach Nabi a decent transfer window, and then we can judge him from there. Yabo njengamanje asinayo into ephaseka esingathi simjudge ngayo, cause he didn't abamnikezanga isikhathi sosayina ama-player, abamsayinela ama-players egcineni lama-player awadlali obonganise Mbappe kwimanje, Fiancre Ntware uphi yabo. So give the man a chance, ayisayinele yena abadlali, and then we will see ukuthi ngabadlali bakhe akabafunayo nange-wind full transfer window what he can do for Kaizer Chiefs. But for now, yeah, it is what it is. But yeah, well, I would have preferred to lose this game and then hopefully win the final, because ibaluleke kakhulu ke leyo yabo. Ukube sunele game and then we lose to the final, that would be a disappointing yabo. So yeah, Buffett, you can drop your suggestions kuma comment, and then like the video, and please subscribe to my channel. Moya wami uphansi, angekho happy mawukuthi Kaizer Chiefs uzodlala kanjani ngomgqibelo la siyakona Saturday. If they will play like they played, we are not going to win a cup. But defendani and gets one chance, score one goal, defend the whole match as long as we won't concede. Pale and bring this cup home. If you can do that for us, so we're happy. By the way, guys, I love you so much. Please drop your suggestion in the comment section. Subscribe to the video, subscribe to the channel and like the video. Ngiyabonga kakhulu abangisupportayo, ngisacela niqhubekeni ngisupporte. Danko.